A promise made before 1992 by the now ruling party. We will eliminate shacks in the country. People will live in formal structures. But today more shacks/mjondolo now than back in apartheid. Hello PPMO ecosystem. Collective manifestation and then taking action is the answer. We need to think back before the Mandelas came onto the scene. There was structure and a sense of community order in the location/native areas. Of course they had ills that apartheid allowed to flourish, which natives thought a black government would end. Things got worse. Think back how services worked. There was law and order. Laws/norms in those communities that made them functional/operate. There were limited illegal electrical connections. Houses built on floodplains or wherever there was space around the location. Town planning was done first before building. Now visualize our cities cleaned and not overrun/dilapidated. With working services and communities living there. Not criminals, foreigners and undocumented people. Pavement and workways not full of dirt and street vendors. Visualize Qatar or Dubai, then superimpose on your nearest city or town. This mess can still be reversed, the infiltration of our spaces can still be cleared. Mass deportations must happen to correct this man-made mess. Remember, this is a man-made mess/disaster. They allowed social housing to be sold so banks could make money from RDP housing. Even that second economy scam fell apart. Made laws to dispose you of social housing. They dumped all immigrants into locations and native settlements that were already stretched. The infrastructure was already not coping with its residents. In the worst cases they build them settlements while natives languish in shacks/imajondolo. They further exacerbated a system designed to oppress the native and made it worse. And you think this party, that has failed in every promise, will liberate our people going forward? Vote them out. Vote for nationalist hybrid party focused 100% in upliftment of its people. Change the constitution to favor the aspirations and fears of its people. Then remember to jail those who enabled this situation and stole the people's shared wealth. The foreign infiltration and their enablers. They created the laws, constitution, operating model that is discriminating against you native. Change that, vote them out. I know most of you see this, stay positive. The future is bright. Just remove them. uMadam here. Awesome, have a great one.